how small LSPs and freelance translators can carve their niche in the AI revolution. Welcome to Localization News you can use. We keep hearing that only the big agencies with massive AI budgets will survive, but that narrative mostly benefits those sitting at the top of the pyramid. In reality, generative AI is leveling the playing field for nimble players. Freelance translators and boutique LSPs face the same challenges: downward pressure on rates, competition from low-cost machine-only offerings, and clients told quality is optional. But instead of mimicking the sprint toward commoditized automation, imagine combining the agility and client intimacy of small teams with the deep linguistic and subject matter expertise of individual translators, all powered by thoughtfully selected AI tools. That's how you access a segment that values craftsmanship, customization, and swift turnaround, customers the industry giants often overlook. Making it work demands more than tech hype. It means forging true collaborations, aligning on transparent workflows where AI amplifies human know-how rather than replaces it, and choosing tools that support nuanced language tasks. It takes honest communication, shared goals, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The path won't be automatic or easy, but if we seize this opportunity together, small LSPs and translators can build a high-value niche that even the largest players never anticipated. Do you believe we can unite our strengths and prove that smart, targeted AI integration is a smarter alternative to chasing scale at the cost of quality? Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News you can use, your daily dose of localization know-how.